welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare some delicious chicken soup. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload all my contents. All the ingredients that I'll be using to prepare my chicken soup will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and get the full ingredients.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'll be using to prepare my delicious chicken soup. You'll be needing some carrot, some Irish potato, you'll be needing pumpkin, you'll be needing corn, you're gonna need some salt, some pimento, you're gonna need some garlic, you're gonna need a scotch bonnet pepper, some fresh thyme, you're gonna need some chocho, some scallion, also you're gonna need yam, you're gonna need a pack of pumpkin soup mix, you're gonna need some flour, and also you're gonna need a pack of hot noodle soup mix. And here I got my chicken thighs that I'll be using in my soup. All the measurement for all my ingredients that I have here will be listed down in the description box. Now I'll be using a large pot to boil my soup in. Inside my pot I got half pot of water, and I'll be boiling this on a high heat. I'm just going to leave this to come to a boil. In the meanwhile, I leave this to come to a boil. I'm just going to go ahead and prep the rest of my vegetables. I know you guys know how to peel your vegetables, guys. I'm just going to do this off camera. In the meanwhile, my pot is coming to a boil, and I'll get right back to you guys. Now guys, my water is come to a boil, as you can see. Now the first thing I'm going to add in is my chicken thighs. Yes guys, I've already washed them, clean them up in some vinegar water, and also remove the skin from off my chicken thighs. You just want to go ahead and add that in, and be careful when you add it in that hot water, guys. These are the first thing you want to start to boil. And make sure you get that chicken nice and tender. And also now I'm going in my pumpkin. Yes guys, I've already peeled them and diced them up. I just want to add that straight to your soup. Just add that, guys. And also I'm adding some of my carrot into that too. Carrot and the pumpkin is what's going to give your soup that lovely color. Yes guys, and also thicken it. Let's stir this, guys. Also I'm adding in my garlic. The garlic is optional, guys. You don't have to add the garlic inside of your soup. Yes guys, but it's good for anyone that's sick that's gonna drink this soup. I'm telling you, I'm gonna leave this to come to a boil for about 30 to 35 minutes, and I'll get back with you guys. Now after that 35 minutes, now here you have it, guys. My pumpkin and my carrot is all boiled out, as you can see. It's giving my water a lovely color. This guys, got that looking beautiful, smelling so nice, guys. And the rest of the stuff is not in my pot as yet. You can smell that carrot and that pumpkin. Wow. I'm going in with my yam. This guys, I'm gonna throw out this water. Here I'm using some white yam. This guys, I couldn't get any yellow yam, so I'm just going in with my white yam. And also I'm adding some more carrots to that now, because those carrots are already boiled out and mashed out. Now these are the ones that I'm just gonna add in here now. Guys, just like that. Also, I'm going in with my corn. Yes, guys, just gonna add your corns into that now. Telling you guys, this is a type of soup you wanna have on a Saturday morning or anytime during the week, guys. This type of soup is really good for anyone that's sick in the family. Yes, guys, I'm telling you. Anyone in your family member that's sick, guys, I want to make this type of chicken soup for them. And I'm telling you, look at that, guys, it's looking beautiful already. Now I'm just gonna leave this to boil for about the next 25 minutes before I check back on it, and I'll get back with you guys. Now after that 25 minutes now guys, I'm checking back on my pot. Wow, it's smelling so nice in the kitchen guys, I'm telling you. I'm just going in with my chocho. Yes guys, I'm just adding those in now. Yes guys, I'm going in with my Irish potato. Also I'm adding my pimento seeds to that now. With my scotch bonnet pepper. Should that green one. I'm just gonna give this a mix now guys. Put those down into the bottom. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you, this soup is gonna taste so amazing. I'm gonna make this soup for the family, I'm telling you. Especially when you come on to winter time guys, I'm telling you. These are the type of soup you want to be drinking. I'm just going to cover up this now for the next 15 minutes again to let those chocho and Irish potato boil, and I'll get back to you. Now guys, after that 15 minutes, it's time to add in my dumplings now. Yes guys, look at that. I got some spinners, and here I got some small dumpling that I'm adding in. Yes guys, I've been making a video and putting out for you guys how to make your dumplings. Yes guys, you can look out for that video. And also here are my spinners. Just want to add those spinners into. Guys, just give that pot is full guys. Wow. Just going in with some seasoning, adding my thyme, fresh thyme, and also my scallion. Just want to add that in there now. Time to season up that pot guys. Also my Maggi seasoning. I won't be using the noodle, I just want the seasoning from it. Okay. Just want to break that up. Just like that guys. Also I'm going in now with my pumpkin mix. This will give it your super lovely pumpkin flavor guys. I'm telling you. I'm going in with everything, the seasoning plus the noodles. Yes guys. I just want to mix that in now. Telling you guys, the soup is smelling so nice. It's smelling wonderful. Guys, I'm just going to cover this up back again and leave it for about the next 20 minutes to come to a complete boil, and that will be finished. Now here you have it guys, the soup is all finished after that 20 minutes. Everything is boiled. My yam, my pumpkin, look at that guys. Wow, it's looking so rich and thick. Look at the texture guys, look at that. I'm telling you, it's smelling really amazing guys. I'm just going to give this a taste now guys. See if it needs anything else. Need any salt. Perfect guys. It's really perfect. I'm just going to turn this off now guys and share it out. Also guys, if you found that your soup is too fresh, you can always go in and add some salt to it and flavor up your soup guys. As I said, I'm just gonna share this out now and let you guys see. Now here you have it guys, I've served out my soup into this Pyrex bowl. Yes guys, this is how you want to make your chicken soup at home for you and the family and friends. Yes guys, just follow my instruction and also my ingredients step by step, and you can't go wrong making this delicious chicken soup guys. This is the type of soup you want to make during winter time. Yes guys, you don't want to be having none of those cup soup. This is a perfect soup to have, as I said, or especially if you're sick Yes guys, you want to make this soup, then you can't go wrong with it. Or especially if it's raining, yes guys, or even on a Saturday, you can make this soup guys, I'm telling you. Perfect and delicious. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section guys, tell me what you think about this chicken soup when you give it a try at home. Until next time, thanks for watching.